Hey guys, in today's video we are going to make a delicious mug cake. For that, first you need to take 3 tablespoons of maida in a bowl. Then we'll be adding 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar to it. Then we'll be adding 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder to it. After that, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and give the entire mixture a good mix. Next, we are supposed to add 3 tablespoons of milk and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Give the entire mixture a very good mix and make sure no lumps are formed. Now I'm adding some chunks of chocolate to it. You can also add chocolate chips or any kind of chocolate that you like. Now it's time to transfer the entire mixture into a microwave safe cup. I'm adding some more chunks of chocolate on the top to garnish. And now we are going to microwave it for a minute. Look how fluffy it is. Now I'm further garnishing it with some powdered sugar and Hershey's. So guys, now I'm going to enjoy my super delicious and soft mug cake. I hope that you tried for yourself. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it useful, make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in another video. Till then, bye.